Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday. I think today is Tuesday. I'm sorry, my kids were out of school yesterday, and so I was kind of thrown off. So today is Tuesday. I got a couple of errands that I need to run, and I normally stop at Starbucks every morning, but today I'm gonna stop at Dunkin' Donuts. I've been craving one of their vanilla iced coffees, and I think I'm gonna get me a glazed donut too. So I'm going to stop there first, and then I'm going to go to a couple of stores to see if they have any organizational type bins for my garage. I need to organize my garage, and so I'm going to stop in those stores today to see what they got going on. All right, let's jump into it.
Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't? Tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again.
Okay, y'all, so we back in the car. Just came out of Dunkin' Donuts. I got my iced coffee, and it is so good. Baby, you satisfied with your drink? I got a vanilla iced coffee, and my husband got one of their signature handcrafted, I think it was a cinnamon sugar pumpkin that he got. He got whipped cream on top. And I got my donuts.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me?
So we were on our way to Walmart and decided to stop at the beach for a little bit. It's kind of overcast here today, but still nice. The sun's trying to come out.
I'm sure messed up. Not once,
Show y'all what I'm looking at.
but every time you thought that
I was back there. I think it's supposed to rain today. I hope not. It still feels good out here.
I promise
I know we need it, but I still like the sunshine.
hold it against you. If you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be.
Yep.
Just feel like dancing.
So nice out here today. Look at the clouds. It looks so angry.
Hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? and love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
You always searching for a better thing, wanna replace me. I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse than lonely. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Sometimes I wanna risk it all. Since you left me, struggle, baby, I see pain. Cause I got nothing. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Ooh, isn't it strange we turn to strangers? You've erased all your pictures on your phone. Ooh, your final words on a piece of paper. I don't love you anymore. Tell me there's good in me. 'Cause I got doubts, I got doubts.
Okay, y'all, we back at home. And look at all of this. This is what we got going on. This is my garage. It is awful. Look at that. We gotta tackle all of this. Got bags here that need to go to, we need to donate to a local thrift store or even Goodwill. All of this stuff over here, more bags. It needs to be donated. All of this stuff has got to be cleaned out. It's bad, y'all. It's bad. A lot of this stuff in here is probably going to end up in the trash. Things that we don't need anymore. Yep, it's terrible. All right.
Down to the beat, y'all.
Okay, so here we're just going ahead and going through everything in the garage, putting things in the trash that we realize we don't need anymore, or stuff that's been out there for a while and we haven't used it. We're just gonna go ahead and put it in the trash if it's something that we don't need. So I forgot to show you all that we started making two different piles. One pile where we were going to be donating things, and then there was another pile where we were going to store everything up in the attic that didn't need to be down in the garage.
I'm
This corner right here was one of the biggest corners that we needed to clean out. Well, not one of the biggest, but one of the most cluttered areas in the garage that needs to be cleaned out. So my husband keeps all of the things that he uses to work on our cars. His tool bag that you see him carrying out there, a lot of the car washing materials, and like old towels that he uses when he's like working under the car and stuff. So we were just going through that, trying to figure out what it was that he wanted to keep and throw away. We're going to go ahead and start cleaning that dresser off. Those are some board games that we had, and we wanted to get those up in the attic. I was wiping those down and dusting everything off, and we needed to go and clean out the drawers. My husband was storing like certain things in there that he needed for the cars as well, so we wanted to go ahead and get that cleaned out and pull that dresser out of that corner so that we can clean out everything that was behind there and under there as well.
You're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would.
So y'all, it had basically been an overcast like all day while we were out and running errands, and it seems like as soon as we got home and got ready to clean the garage out, the sun came out and it got to be so hot. It got up to like 90 something degrees that day, and it was so humid and so muggy. I mean, we were sweating bullets. It had gotten just out of control, and we were just like trying to hurry and get everything done because it was so hot. So what I'm doing here is taking the broom and sweeping down all of the cobwebs. I went around the garage with the broom to get all of the spider webs and everything down. They were everywhere. They were in the ceiling, in the corners, even on the walls. But you'll see in a little bit here where my husband takes out his shop vac to help get the cobwebs down, because it was a lot easier to use the vacuum.
Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now there was no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. Now there was no more, no.
That shop vac was a lifesaver. I don't know why we didn't think to use that in the beginning. It helped everything to move a lot faster.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean this door. This door leads into the house, and it had just gotten really dirty from everyday use of us going in and out. So I wanted to use my soft scrub with Oxy to get all of those stains off.
Keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. Then I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no.
So I'm going to use my Method all-purpose cleaner, and that's in the wildflower scent. The soft scrub left a gritty film on the door, and I used the Method spray to remove that. So I'm going to clean the outside of the fridge using that same spray. We use this for our extra meats and frozen vegetables and things like that. The inside was fine. I had already cleaned that, so I was just going to work on the outside.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I love you the most.
So we're just going to go ahead and start to bring everything back in. We didn't want to put that dresser back in the corner where it was. We decided to put it on that wall just to kind of keep everything centered on one wall, so we would free up the corners of the garage and not build up any more clutter. So we're just going to go ahead and pull down the attic stairs so we can put away the things that we don't use on a daily basis.
I'm thinking you were made for me. It's not my birthday yet, cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
So this is how the garage turned out. We didn't get a chance to clean and scrub the floors because we didn't quite have all the materials needed to do that. We also didn't need the storage bins that we bought. Once we started clearing everything out, we just kind of realized that we could just use what we already had on hand.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time.
Okay, y'all, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll see y'all in the next one.